I think I'm going to change the order. I'm going to put my water above the rays. I just left click, hold, and drag to change the order of it. Now we're going to do some clouds. So if I change this to white with my swatches, and then all I'm going to do is I'm going to change to the ellipse tool. And all I did was I went ahead, oh, I got to create a new layer because now I'm going to make this double left click. We're going to call it clouds. Okay. And then I'm just going to pull some circles. Pull another circle, left click and drag, pull another circle, left click and drag, pull another circle, left click and drag. And then I'm going to do my selection tool, hold the shift key, and then I'm going to select all these circles. Now I'm going to use my Pathfinder again. If you don't see this, go to Window, select Pathfinder. If it's checkmark, it means it's already out there. And then I'm going to do what we call a unite. So this will actually combine all the shapes into one. When I click it, it is now one entire shape. So I'm going to do a few different clouds. So I'm going to go ahead and maybe do some smaller clouds in the distance. This is kind of cartoony looking, so I'm kind of going with it. And I'm going to hold the shift key. I'm going to click on these so I can select multiples and then do my unite. I've got another cloud right here. And then if I wanted to, I could overlap it a little bit. And then I'm going to put the clouds left click and drag and put that. Oh, I spelled clouds wrong. So I could. So then now, if you see the order, it's placing the clouds behind the boat. And then, you know what? I'm going to do some more clouds because I want to add some more clouds to this. And if you hit Control Z or Command Z on a Mac, Control Z if you are on a PC. And I want to kind of vary it a little bit so it looks a little bit longer and wider. Okay. And then I'll grab my selection tool and then hold the shift key. And I've got them selected and then click my unite. So I've got my clouds. I'm going to hit Control S or Command S on a Mac because I want to save this. Okay, I've already saved this, but in case I forgot to show you, File, Save As. And then I would name it here. I can leave it as my AI file, okay? There are other options, but we're going to keep it the AI file. I named it Boat 2 Video, and then I hit Save. It's going to ask me if I want to replace it because I've already done that. I'm going to leave it Illustrator CC and hit OK. And then